Guardian heat pump, I think, that I filmed running last, when was it? June? I know it was like right before I left for San Diego, but here it is again running. I'm pretty happy actually, but it's got an A.O. Smith fan motor. This is one, aside from the Train Voyager, this is one of my favorite units on the property. Like if the Train Voyager got replaced, then this would be my favorite unit on the property. Not only is it nice, but it's a rare type of unit. I mean, you don't see these. And is this a heat pump? Oh yeah, it is a heat pump, and it is a model HP. So yeah, that stands for heat pump. 48. So that's a 4-ton. X1321A, and the serial is WOK 728415 I don't know what year this dang thing's from. I think it's from 2007. Still got that footprint on it. Well, not really, but this one still has footprints on it. This one does. And this one won't be alive much longer. I got a separate video of it, and it's not getting cold and sweaty when I filmed it, so awesome unit. I'd love to get one of these, but the York is only a 2.5 ton, and this thing's a 4 ton. I think this is a packaged unit. It's either a packaged unit or a gas pack. I'd say it's a packaged unit. Unless, let me see, is that a gas line? Is there a gas line going in it? Yeah, this is just a packaged unit. I was planning on taking a video of this unit for the test video of my new camera, but I just heard it running, and I decided, you know, what the heck, why not? My scooter right there. That unit is kind of disgusting. I said in my other video this unit was a 5 ton, but I think it's a 4 ton. That's about that 48 in the model number, because if it was a 5 ton, there'd be a 60 in the model number, so. Let's take a guess by how big it is, because my neighbor's is a 5 ton and it's smaller. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to take some pictures of this thing now.